Everyone, it's Patty from the studio. Hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and healthy. I went out today, it's Saturday before Thanksgiving, to do my final thrift store shopping for the holiday season. I went to my local church thrift shop where everything was 50% off. And, you know, they're really good with the masks and how many people are allowed in because the space is really cramped. And you can only be in there for 20 minutes. And I like the challenge of that. But I got some great stuff and wanted to share it with you. So if you like the content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, let me know what you like, what you want to see more of, if you have any questions. And that's it. So let's get hauling. So this is the haul from today. And my little studio craft room is just overflowing. I have craft projects I'm working on. I have thrifting things I have to research and post, but I love doing it. It's I find it really fun. So all of these goodies that you see here, my total spend was $38, which is incredible. Especially I hit the Motherload of SPODE. I like how it rhymes. So let's take a look and see what I picked up and why. We'll start with the SPODE. They had these 75th anniversary of SPODE ornaments. There were 3 in a box, and I picked up 2 boxes. And I love that it's new in box. And originally the retail was $40. So we'll see what we get for that. And, you know, if you don't see the actual SPODE name and you're out doing your own thrifting, the way to tell it's SPODE without looking at the bottom, if it's in an unmarked package, SPODE will always have the Santa on top of the tree. That is the easiest way to quickly identify what is SPODE, because there are a lot of similar designs out there. You'll see some with an angel on it, but Santa on the tree is the determining factor for SPODE. So I picked up 2 of those. I love that they're in the original box and it has all the information about it. So that's why I got that. The other SPODE piece is this oval, I guess, little serving platter, or you can use it as a candy dish or a trinket dish. Excellent condition. And again, there's Santa. Focus, focus, focus. Sorry for all the clinking. I'm trying to move it out of the way. Continuing on our SPODE journey is this budvas. Again, very clean, great condition. I don't know the years of any of these things, so I'm not sure with SPODE it really matters. But a nice little bud vase, which would be really pretty for your holiday decorating. I can see poinsettias in it, or some berries and holly. And that's that. Then this really pretty cake or cookie platter. And again, let me see if I can fix the sun. I love the sun, but it's not great for filming. Cookie plate, really nice condition. Again, there's Santa, and you know, for $2.50, not bad. With this, it's all going to start to fall. The final SPODE item is a pair of candlesticks, and when I can find a pair of candlesticks, makes me very happy, because it's much easier than a single candlestick unless it's something ridiculously special. Pairs always sell better. So just keep that in mind. And that was only, I think, $3 for the set. So again, it looks like somebody was cleaning out their SPODE collection. Lucky me. My sister-in-law collects SPODE, so I've sent her a picture with these items to see if she's interested. Otherwise, they're going for sale. Then this little kind of ginger jar bud vase. I liked the cobalt blue. There are no markings on it, so I have no idea if it's modern, old, where it's made. But cobalt blue, and I said it before, is very popular. I liked the trim. Some nice details on that. Again, it was 25 cents. So I just thought it was really pretty. Can't tell if it's hand painted or not, but I love birds, copper, cobalt blue. And for 25 cents, really? Come on. Then this set, creamer and sugar. And in the past, I used to pick up a creamer because I thought it was pretty. And creamers on their own just don't sell for much at all. So I try to get a set. But sometimes, and you'll see, I got an example of that. Sometimes I'll get a sugar bowl on its own. But a creamer on its own, it just sits, in my opinion. And this is made by 222 Fifth. It's got the pattern name Marietta. It's not vintage. It's made in China. But I've had several pieces from 222 Fifth Avenue, or Fifth, whatever. And they've all sold pretty well and quickly. And I loved the shape of the covered sugar bowl. Again, no chips, no cracks. And that set came in at $2. So, happy. Then this beautiful bowl. I don't know much about it. I'm not sure if it's depression glass, but I really liked the color. So I'm going to have to research the pattern. It's got a little bit of a cubist design to it. It's pretty heavy, which makes me think it has some age to it. And again, I just love the color. And the kind of the scallop top and the starburst. So this could be worth more than I think it is. And again, for holidays, sometimes I love using blues. That's why I picked this up, and it came in at $1. Another small little glass item. It's this little budvas in a beautiful green with gold trim. And I see a lot of pieces like this out in the wild, and many times the gold has faded or broken. This is in excellent condition. No marks. It's got a smooth, what they call a pontile, if it's hand blown. This is a pontile where they, I think, remove it from the rod after they fired or melted it. I don't know all the exact terminology. And I believe this is hand blown because I do not see any seams. So, again, 25 cents. Do a little research. And again, for the holidays, it's a nice color. Then this bowl, I guess it's a soup bowl. You can use it as a serving bowl. I really liked the colors of it and kind of an Asian inspired design, and I was kind of shocked when I turned it over and it says Christian Dior, fine china, beau rivage, made in Japan. So all of those little keywords will help in my research, and I think this could be a special piece. And again, it's trimmed in gold. It almost looks like 24 karat. I don't see any chips. I don't see any fading. And obviously Christian Dior, made in Japan. This could be a treasure. And we'll find out. And that was only $2. Okay, I'm starting to make a little mess here. Okay, move this, move that. Clink, clink, clink. Back on holiday. Jim Shore is a extremely popular brand. I collect it myself, and whenever I find it, I pick it up. This particular ornament comes with its original box. It still has the sticker on it, and it's Santa from 2017, $2. And again, Jim Shore does very well for me, and I also collect it on my own. Picked up another Jim Shore piece in a box, but not the original box, but it does still have the tag, and it's from 2009. Not vintage, but older. And again, beautiful. He does such beautiful work. So there's Santa praying, kind of with a little baby Jesus. And his work does very well for me. And I like it myself. I have several pieces of Jim Shore that I use for the holidays. So I thought that was a great find. Keeping with ornaments, I don't know what attracted me to these. Don't know anything about them. But I picked up all three for $6. And they're like little fashionista. Let me take her out. I thought at first they were nutcrackers, but they're not. But they're wooden in like these real material fashion plate outfits. DB. So I don't know if that means anything. I'll look it up. But I thought, especially on Poshmark, this could be a really cool find. And I picked up three of them. I picked up that one. And she's got her earmuffs and her faux fur and her little handbag. And with her leopard wrap. And again, DB, I don't know. I'll look into it, but I thought these were really cool. And they're in excellent condition. Okay. Now, this strange piece here. The reason I picked this up, I follow a YouTuber called Crazy Lamp Lady. And she does thrifting and reselling and metal detecting. And she puts out a video every day. And I just love her personality. I love her eye. She gives us all really good information when we're doing our own shopping. So I'll put the link to her channel in the description. And if you love thrifting, she's a great one to follow. So she had picked up something like this very similar recently that did well for her. So that's really the main reason I picked it up. It's kind of a ceramic chalkware front tank top. I believe she called it a budvas, but it's got the 1994 E&B giftware. So I'm going to research it and try and find that video because I know she sold it recently for decent money. And that for $2, and because she had picked one up is what prompted me to get that. Then these two little dishes. As I've said before, I love blue and white. And so they were two for $2. The reason I picked it up, now this one has slightly different marking, but they're the same. And the reason I got it is Jackson China, made New York, Cook's Hotel and Restaurant Supply. And there's a whole category of USA ceramic pottery that's called restaurant ware, which is literally pieces that were made for restaurants, train lines. They were simply made, very sturdy. So this could have been for a Chinese restaurant. And this is the same manufacturer, but this one says Falls Creek. The other one said New York. So we'll see. But for $1 each, I've done well with restaurant ware. And it's just an interesting category to research. And then I picked up these 4 little trinket dishes with a lady's face on it. And I thought they're great for jewelry, little trinkets, and also if you hung them on the wall, I thought they could make like a nice little art installation. So, and they are literally brand new from World Market. And I thought, well, somebody obviously recently received these and didn't like them and nicely donated them. I think they're just very cool. And you could find a lot of uses for them. And I'm definitely going to put them up for sale as a set. Then this I was very excited to find. This is Rae Dunn. And she is highly collectible. Everything I've had from her I've sold. So it's another name to keep an eye out. But this particular covered sugar bowl with the scoop. And that's her typewriter font with a black and white polka dot. I've seen a lot of other ones being sold online in other colors. I haven't seen that much with the black and white. And again, it's Ray Dunn, Artisan Collection by Magenta. I think she's going to go pretty quickly. Then the final item is this covered sugar bowl. It's still taped together, but I don't see any cracking or issues. And it's by a designer called Ben Seibel. This is for Mikasa Potter's Art, made in Japan. And Ben Seibel, I believe in the 50s, he was a huge designer in housewares. He did things for department stores exclusive and Mikasa and tons of other manufacturers. So it's got his name, it's got Mikasa, it's got the pattern, number, and name. And I love the matte glaze on it and the little thumb holes to pick it up, the lid. So this was an exciting find as well. And I think that will do well also. But we'll see. I'm going to be doing a video, I'm doing a lot of promotions in my store for holiday. I'm hopefully going to get that up by Thanksgiving. I have a lot to list, a lot to research. But I love it. And I appreciate everyone's support by either subscribing or going to my shops. I've updated my website. So I'll put the link, the address at the end of the video, where I have links directly to my eBay store, my Poshmark closet, as well as my website, where I have original art for sale. And then Poshmark and eBay, I have hundreds of items. And then I'm just going to add all these little beauties to it, hopefully very shortly. So stay tuned for that. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see. And I appreciate the support. So peace out from the studio, everyone. And if I don't see you before, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye for now.